Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Programming World. In the previous video we have discussed nested if statements. But in this today's session, let us have discuss on multiple selection statements. That is switch statement. So let us discuss about switch case statements in C. So let's get started. First of all, let us see what is switch statements. So here we can see switch statements is a multiple choice selection statements in C. Switch statements allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values, and each values is called case, and each switch case must include break keyword, okay, and it will be executed according to user choice. It means that if we have multiple choices and we have to select one or choose, okay, one single statements, so there we use switch statements, okay, and it is based on user choice. Clear? So in that case we use switch statements. First of all, let us see the general syntax of switch statements. So here we can see switch, and here I am writing expression. You can write down any constant like integer, constant, any variable also, okay, and after that curly braces would be started, and now we will write here case 1, okay, case first, and for case first we would write block of statement first, okay, and after that we used break keyword, okay, like this case second and block of statement second. So like this we can write down multiple cases, okay, and we will write default case after. Here we can see default case. After up to n cases we will write default case, and we use default case when their cases condition no match, okay, means there is no conditions here to match after execution, okay, then our output show default case, okay, default block of statements. Clear? After that we also use break keyword and the stopped curly braces, okay. So I hope you got the syntax of switch case statements. And see, break means just to go to switch body, okay, the control will out of the switch statements, okay. So before using break, control go out of switch body. Clear? Now let us see the flow chart. Here we are having expressions, okay, and after that first case, and if the first case will be true then first statement executed, okay, also use break keyword, and after second case and the second case will be true then block of statement second will be executed, and after that break, okay, and like this up to n cases. After that cases one we have to write default case. Clear? So that's it about switch case statements. I hope you understand everything. Otherwise if you have any doubt related in any topic you can ask in comment box, okay. So that is for this video. In the next video we will discuss about iterative statements like for, while and do while, okay. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching my video.